when they talk about Ramil Madriaga, they talk about him like he's the smoking gun, he's the missing link to all of this. When really we think he's the weakest link. So we're not gonna, as counsel for the perjury case, we're not gonna stop them from self-destructing their case by inviting Madriaga to testify.
Based on the evidence you have against Ramil Madriaga, ano po yung mensahe natin na nais iparating sa House Committee on Justice, especially ngayong na-invite na si Madriaga sa April 14 hearing? Sa inyong pananaw, sir, should they carefully consider before allowing Madriaga to speak and magpresenta ng mga umano'y evidence niya against the Vice President?
Yeah, we're not concerned na magte-testify si Madriaga sa House Justice Committee. Of course, I just have to make it clear, diba, that the impeachment defense team is challenging the jurisdiction of the House Justice Committee. They've gone to the Supreme Court to ask for a TRO and to ask the Supreme Court to void these proceedings. They also believe that the House Justice Committee has no power of subpoena. So and we agree with that. Kaya lang the situation is nag-issue sila ng subpoena kahit hindi dapat pwede. Walang TRO, so sinabi na nila na itutuloy na nila sa Tuesday. So that's the situation para sa amin as counsel for VP Sara in the specific perjury complaint versus Madriaga. We don't mind because we know that whatever he says are lies. And then in the proper forum, which is looking like the Senate, we can definitively prove that he's a fraud. So we don't have concerns that he's testifying. The only concern really is that baka may maniwala because I'm sure it's going to be amplified. Puro kalaban ni VP Sara yung nasa House Justice Committee. But kaya nga namin kayo inimbitahan ngayon para unahan na yung mangyayari sa Tuesday, which is to show you our side. Kasi actually, itong complaint affidavit ni VP Sara and the evidence that I just presented to you, that's all available to the House Justice Committee. And yet, when they talk about Ramil Madriaga, they talk about him like he's the smoking gun, he's the missing link to all of this. When really we think he's the weakest link. So we're not gonna, as counsel for the perjury case, we're not gonna stop them from self-destructing their case by inviting Madriaga to testify.